Chris here from Balance Central. We've all got these people in our life. You know, the ones that you innocently ask how they are and then they spend the next half an hour or so telling you every single circumstance that's going on for them. And on top of that, they don't even ask you how you are. So what's going on for them? They're in overwhelm. They cannot see beyond the circumstance that they have in their life. More importantly, how can you help them? How can you help break the energy of that overwhelm? You can ask them a question. And the question is, so how do you feel in that circumstance that you're talking about? How does that break the energy? What it does is it allows the person to stop just existing in the circumstance and allows them to come back and identify with what they're feeling. It changes the energy of constantly talking about the outside and allows them to look within.